People got the crazies right now. They're learning not to mess with yarn. Right now, they're just messing with each other. Where's your sister? Huh? Where's your sister? Psst. No. Good girl. Boy. Oh, jeez. Oh, here we go. No. Psst. Lamps are not playthings. Unadoptable behavior. Okay. Where'd you go? Oh! You fooled me too. And we have to integrate Sprout into this scenario. And I tried with Rain the other day and it did not go real well. Even though Rain weighs more, Sprout was more, I don't know. His claws are clipped, so he couldn't claw anybody, but I think he was biting. He was biting my finger in the crate on the way home, but he's not doing that to me anymore. Hi. Oh, what is this? Hello.